What's up guys? Welcome back to the Share channel. If you just switched from Android to the new iPhone SE 2022, you might want to migrate all your data over. In this video, I'll show you two different ways. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure your iPhone SE is in factory default. If not, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Erase all content and settings. Well done. So the first method here is use the Move to iOS app. Once installed it from Play Store, open it up and proceed to set up your iPhone. When you get to the App and Data option, select Move Data from Android, and then enter the code on your Android device. Here you can choose what you would like to copy to your iOS device. Tap Continue when you finish selecting. Then the migration will begin. Okay, now that the transfer is complete, let's go ahead with the setup on the iPhone. As you can see, the data we selected has been moved over. The next method is using Shareit. You don't have to erase your iPhone SE, just install the app on both devices. Then you can transfer data like apps, videos, etc. Let's try photos. Make a selection, and then tap on the Send button. Now select your iPhone to proceed. Here we go. To move your videos, repeat the same steps. So far, both methods work pretty awesome, but they don't transfer WhatsApp chats. So here we introduce the third tool, iCareFone Transfer. All you need is a Lightning to USB-C cable. Once built a connection, open iCareFone, then select Android to iOS to continue. It'll detect your WhatsApp backup, then extract data out of it for you to transfer. When the transfer completed on your Android, your iPhone will restart. See, all the WhatsApp chats has been moved over. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. See you.